Once upon a time, in a tiny village, there was a small hidden garden. The garden was filled with the most vibrant flowers, tallest trees, and sparkling fountains. But what made this garden truly magical was that it was invisible to everyone except those who believed in the magic. One day, a poor little girl named Lily stumbled upon the garden. She had wandered away from her village in search of adventure. As she pushed aside the tall grass, she discovered a very beautiful path leading to the garden entrance. Lily's eyes wandered with wonders as she explored the garden. She chased after butterflies, danced under the fountains, and made friends with the friendly flowers. But as the sun began to set, Lily knew she had to leave. The garden whispered a secret to her.
Remember, magic is all around you. You just need to believe.
From the day on, Lily visited the garden every day, spreading its magic throughout her village. As time passed, the villagers began to notice a change in Lily. She seemed happier, more confident, and her smile could light up the darkest room. They asked her,
What her secret was?
and Lily would simply say, The magical garden, dear. One day the villagers followed Lily to the garden, but they could not see it. They thought Lily was playing a trick on them, but Lily did not give up. She took their hands and led them through the garden, describing its beauty. Slowly, the villagers began to imagine the garden. They saw it in their minds, and soon they could see it with their own eyes. The garden grew bigger and more vibrant, spreading its magic throughout the village. The villagers worked together to tend to the garden, and soon their village was transformed. Flowers bloomed everywhere, and the air was sweet with the scent of honey. One day, a wise old man came to the village. He asked Lily,
How did you find this magical garden?
Lily replied, I believe. Old man smiled and said,
You have unlocked the greatest magic of all, the power of belief.
And so the villager lived happily ever after, surrounded by the magic of the garden. All thanks to Lily. Years passed and village became a place of wonder, attracting visitors from far and wide. People came to see the magical garden and meet Lily, the little girl who had unlocked its secrets. One day, a young boy named Finn arrived in the village. He was shy and did not believe in magic, but Lily befriended him and took him to the garden. As they explained, Finn began to see glimpses of the garden's magic. He heard the soft humming of the flowers, saw the sparkle in the fountains, but he still did not fully believe. Lily gave Finn a small seed from the garden. Plant this in your heart, she said. Believe in its magic and it will grow. Finn took the seed, but he did not think much of it that night. However, he had a dream. In the dream, the seed grew into the magnificent tree. Its branches reached the stars. Finn woke up and feeling strange. He looked down and saw a small sprout growing from his chest. The seed had taken root in his heart from the day on. Finn believed in the magic of the garden. He helped Lily and villagers tend to it, and soon his own special gift emerged, the ability to communicate with animals. As Finn's gift grew stronger, he began to understand the language of the creature in the garden. He could talk to the birds, the bees, and even the fish in the fountains. One day, a wise old owl approaches Finn. The garden is in danger, the owl said. The darkness is coming, threatening to destroy its magic. Finn told Lily, and together they gathered the villagers. They did not know what the darkness was or how to stop it, but they knew they had to try. Lily remembered the words of wise old man. The power of belief is the greatest magic of all. She realized that the darkness was a manifestation of doubt and disbelief. The villagers came together holding hands and focusing their beliefs. They imagined the garden's magic growing stronger, spreading lights and positive way. Finn, with his gift, called upon the creations of the garden to join in. The birds sang, the bees buzzed, and the fish swam in fountains, creating a powerful force of beliefs. Slowly, the darkness gone, and the garden's magic day by day brighter than ever. The villagers cheered, knowing they had saved their beloved garden. But Lily knew that the true magic was not in the gardener itself, but in the hearts of those who believed. She smiled, knowing that as long as they had faith, the garden would always thrive. And so the villagers continued to flourish, a beacon of hope and magic, inspiring others to believe in the impossible. And so the village lived happily ever after, surrounded by the magic of God. And Lily and Finn grew up to the wise leaders, guiding the villagers in the ways of belief and imaginations. The garden continued to bloom, a symbol of the power of the faith and the magic that lies within. The story of magical garden spread far and wide, inspiring others to seek their own hidden wonders. And as people believe more gardens, I hope children you enjoy the story. Take care. Good night.